Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CORV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, today, very, very rough day, and I bring that up because I get it. It's very hard to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this chart over here so that it becomes easier to see what actually happened today. So there we go. So that is today's action. Again, I get it. It's goofy, but because of that big gap down, it just throws off the proportions. But if we look at it like this, a little bit easier to see. So the main dynamic here that's going forward that, I'm going to keep an eye on, and that I think, it's not a guarantee of anything. I don't want to use that word, but very clearly right now, the bears are quite aggressive on this one, because not only after the gap down, it had this little bounce right here, but after there, the bears went right back into grind mode, and you can see represented by that orange trend line, just down, the price pushed it the remainder of the day. So the big, level, kind of the big dynamic going into Thursday is, can the price get back above that trend line? Now, just because the price breaks above there, am I saying that guarantees that it's going back up to 55 cents? I'm not saying that. But with a nice high volume break of this trend line, it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least maybe get up there and retest the highs at 50 cents. Now, again, you keep a very close eye on volume. If it's some small little minuscule volume, then, I suppose it could still happen, but the odds and probabilities of it happening much, much better if it's a good, solid, high volume break of that trend line. So definitely keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. As far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today on several occasions right down there around 44 cents. So you can see earlier on in the day, the price bounced from that level, and then you fast forward to this afternoon, and that's right where the price got the little miniature bounce from there. If the price just goes sideways and then cracks down through 44 cents, again, especially if it's a high volume break, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price, then drift down to 40 cents and probably even lower than that. But those are the two main technical levels that I'll be keeping an eye on going forward. So let's see if the price can get a break of that trend line or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.